In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. To start, open your web browser and go to slides.google.com. Once you're there, open the presentation you want to work on. If it's already listed in your recent files, click it. If not, use the search bar or open it from your drive. Give the page a moment to load so all your tools appear along the top and left side. Let's begin with editing text. Click on any text box to place your cursor inside it. You can type to replace the text or highlight words to change how they look. Use the toolbar at the top to adjust the font, the size, and the color. As you change colors, aim for strong contrast so your text stays readable. If your text runs over the edge, try reducing the font size slightly or expanding the text box by dragging its edges. Next, add visuals to bring your slides to life. Go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Image to add a picture. After it appears on the slide, click and drag the corners to resize without stretching it, and move it into place by dragging. If you want simple visual elements like arrows or banners, open the Insert menu and choose Shape. Pick a shape, draw it on the slide, and then use the toolbar to adjust its fill color and border color so it matches your design. Organizing your story is just as important as the content. In the left panel, you'll see small slide thumbnails. Click and drag a slide thumbnail up or down to rearrange the order. When you let go, the slide drops into its new spot, and the numbering updates automatically. This is a quick way to fine-tune the flow or move a section to the beginning or end. If you decide a slide isn't needed, remove it to keep your presentation focused. Right-click the slide thumbnail in the left panel and choose Delete Slide. If you change your mind, you can undo immediately to bring it back. Finally, refine the overall look. In the toolbar, click Theme to browse ready-made themes that instantly update fonts and colors for a consistent style. If you just want to tweak a single slide's look, click Background to choose a solid color or add an image behind your content. Keep your background subtle so your text stays clear. That's it. With these tools, editing text, adding images and shapes, rearranging and deleting slides, and updating themes or backgrounds, you'll quickly shape a polished professional presentation.